Alright, today we're making sea foam, sometimes called puff candy. We're going to start off by adding 3 cups of light brown sugar. You could also use regular sugar. 1. 2.5. And 3. We have 2/3 cup of water, 2/3 cup light corn syrup. You can also use dark. A 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Later we're using 4 teaspoons of baking soda and a 1/4 teaspoon of cream of tartar. This is for at the end. So now we're going to put this on over here at the stove and get it started. Alright, we've got it over here at the stove and we're going to turn it on medium heat. Then we're going to stir it pretty good to get it all combined. We don't want any big lumps like that one in there, so we're going to break those up first. Now we're going to get a pastry brush and a little water and brush down the sides to stop some of the sugar crystals from forming on the sides of our pan. Alright, now we need to get it to 300 degrees, which is the hard crack stage. So now we just leave it and wait. As you can see now, it's been brought to a boil, and I have 3 thermometers. This one's reading 262. This one's reading about 250. Oh, come on. And this one is reading about 270. This is terrible. I really need it to be right about 300. Smells like it's starting to burn. I'm taking it off. I'm taking it off. Smells like it's starting to burn. I'm taking it off. We added the baking soda and cream of tartar mixture, and it did not foam. Maybe it's foaming now. It foamed much more yesterday. We had lower humidity yesterday. Now we have to quickly add it to our baking pan. And it's already started to solidify. I was just a second too slow. That's about as good as it's going to get. Now we got to let it cool for about 2 hours. At least I didn't burn it this time. Alright, it's the next day and it's time to finish up the seafoam. I'm going to open it up and it's looking pretty nice. I've already broken a few pieces off. See how it is. I'm going to take it out. We're going to break it up a little bit more. Then we're going to dip it in chocolate. I have a little hammer. I'm not sure if it's a toffee hammer or not. I know there are toffee hammers. I have one in here from See's Candy, but I have no idea where it got to. Just going to give it a light tap and see if we can't break it into some decent sized chunks. See, we have it pretty foamy. That's from the baking soda and the cream of tartar. I wanted it to break into bigger chunks like this size. We're going to just see what we can get. Alright, we're going to try to dip some of these bigger chunks. We've got dark chocolate here from Ghirardelli. Let's give that a nice little dip. Put it on the parchment paper. See, all the rest of this little stuff, we're probably going to just crush it up and use it as ice cream topping. But let's see how it tastes. Gonna get us a big scoop. Real good. Very sticky on the teeth. The dark chocolate really adds a lot of boldness to it.